good gardeners, and welcome to my channel, Garden Abloom. Today we're going to be planting Crocus Corms. Many people call them bulbs, but they're actually corms. This here is a small garden in front of my house. I'm going to plant the crocus in front of my large planter, so I'll have a nice spring display next April. I have chosen the Pick Quick Crocus. I picked up several bags from Walmart. They are purple with white stripes down their petals. Also, they get to be about 6 inches tall. Pickwick crocus do well in gardening zones 3 through 9. I'll be placing 4 crocuses to each of the holes I have already dug. When you plant them, you'll want to make sure you place the crocus upright. The flat portion is the bottom, so it faces down, and the pointy tip goes up. They recommend planting them 2 to 3 inches below ground and 2 inches apart. I like to plant mine close together, so it makes a nice grouping when they bloom. Now I'm placing the soil back into the hole. The soil is a bit hard and crumbly. Maybe I should have added a little bit of soil amendment, but I didn't have any at the time. And now I'm moving over to the other side of my driveway. The best time to plant these is 6 to 8 weeks before the hard frost arrives in your area. For high winds, that would be in September or October. I have already dug 3 holes to place the corms into. I like to have full or part sun and well-drained soil. The crocus will be one of the first flowers to poke their little heads out from the soil in the spring. After I covered the crocus corms with soil, I found a bumblebee collecting nectar inside one of my Superbells. It's in the very top of the frame. He's clear inside the Superbell. He almost stuck his whole body in there. The Superbell is an over-easy variety. Then he started circling my pot and I lost him for a little bit. And then I found him again wheeling into another Superbell. I think he tasted each and every one of them. When he was done, I swear he knew I was filming him because he flew right at my face. And yes, I did slightly stumble backwards. But back to the crocus. It's good to water them right after you plant them to allow them to settle into their new home. Give them a good soak. After I finished watering them, I went to the other side and gave the others a good drink too. Thanks for joining me. Next time I'll plant some tulips. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can catch my next video. See you next time.